On behalf of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, this is the Pulse at CHSS,
keeping you up to date and informed about CHSS news, events, and happenings.
On this edition of the Pulse, we have a CHSS Career Services cover letter workshop on Tuesday, November 12th from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. and a resume workshop on November 13th from 2 to 3 p.m., both in Schmitt Room 104. Stop by to have your documents reviewed.
Co-op applications are now being reviewed through Hire at Red Hawk. Apply to have your internship opportunity count towards the spring 2020 semester through the My Account tab. A CHSS Career Services team member will contact you to confirm your application.
Advising Advisory, Spring 2020 registration opened on November 6th. First semester freshmen with less than 30 earned credits will begin registering on Tuesday, November 12th. Check the registration website to find out your registration date and be sure to book your advising appointments through Navigate Now. Make sure to check in each week for the latest Pulse and to stay connected with the college.